Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify a malicious download is being blocked by Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Now, SmartScreen is a feature that is inbuilt into Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, and it's enabled by default, and it basically blocks any malicious or suspicious downloads on your Microsoft Edge browser. So today I'm going to show you how you can verify that this is indeed working on your Windows devices. So as you can see, I've logged into my Microsoft Intune environment, and I've got a Windows device that we're going to test today. And this device is enrolled into Defender for Endpoint, as you can see here. So it's successfully enrolled into Defender for Endpoint. And let's go ahead and see if we can verify how the SmartScreen feature blocks malicious downloads. So I'm going to minimize this window. Now this is my test computer, which I showed you earlier, which has been enrolled into Microsoft Intune, and it's enrolled into Defender for Endpoint service as well. So bear in mind that SmartScreen feature is only available for Microsoft Edge browser. So let me just go ahead and open Microsoft Edge. Now in here, we need to go to a website called eicar.org. Now this is a non-profit organization that does research in security. You can read about them in here, but what we're going to do here is click on this download anti-malware test file. So let me just click on that link or the button, and we'll give it a couple of seconds. Now EICR stands for European Institute for Computer Antivirus Research, so it's a non-profit organization. You can read about what they do in their website as well. If you go to projects or news tab, you can read more about what they do. But let me just scroll down and see the downloads available for us to verify that a malicious file is getting blocked. So I'm going to click on this file in here, and we'll see what happens after we click on that. As you can see on the screen, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, Defender SmartScreen feature to be specific, has identified that this file is malicious or unsafe and recommends that you do not proceed. So this is what I wanted to show you guys in this tutorial, because once you enable Defender for Endpoint, sometimes it's better to actually go in to a couple of test devices and see the features are working as intended. And this is one way that you can actually simulate a malicious file safely on one of your number of devices, however many that you have in your environment, and make sure that Microsoft Edge actually blocks these unsafe files. Guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.